What could affect your life insurance premiums? Buying life insurance may seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance from us, you can easily find and apply for a life insurance policy that fits your needs. We have knowledgeable, licensed life insurance agents that are always on standby to help guide your decisions. The length of policy and amount of coverage you need, your age, your physical and mental health, tobacco use, your driving record, your travel plans, your family medical history, high-risk activities like skydiving, flying a plane, or bungee jumping. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.